Online discourse when it comes to watchmaking can sometimes get a little bit hairy, but one thing I've seen over the years is pointing collectors who want a nice, affordable chronograph to the Hamilton Intra-matic. I think that's an excellent choice, and when I ran across this beautiful new version that came into the shop, I definitely wanted to make a video and share it with all of you. Before we dig into its details though, we'll invite you to subscribe to the channel so you catch all of our upcoming videos on cool watches like this one. The watch has a 40mm diameter with a 49mm lug-to-lug distance. It's 14.5mm thick with a 20mm lug width, and inside it's powered by the Hamilton H-31 automatic chronograph. This version of the modern Intra-matic chronograph from Hamilton is based off the original 1968 racing chronograph from the brand. This one is a beautiful updated version with an all-black PVD case with beautiful orange accents. With a classic bicompax layout and a date at 6 o'clock, in addition to the tachymeter surround, this is an extremely useful racing chronograph made for modern times. But if you're like me and can barely get a stick shift out of your driveway, don't be deterred from buying this beautiful race watch. This one is a modern classic and can be worn in many different situations, regardless of your race car status. In fact, I would highly recommend this watch for your everyday wear, given the fact that it has an awesome domed sapphire crystal and 100 meters of water resistance paired with that chronograph functionality. This crown on the right side of the case has a beautiful Hamilton signature and is a screw-down crown, giving it added durability. Being that this is an automatic chronograph, the case does have a little bit of a thick stature, but it is slim at 40mm with a tidy lug-to-lug under 50, so this will be wearable for the vast majority of individuals. This automatic chronograph by Hamilton operates in standard fashion, starting and stopping the timing feature with the top pusher and restarting with the pusher on the bottom right. Another detail I really like about this watch is this gorgeous punctured rally leather strap. Underneath that black leather there's a nice orange accent tying itself into the dial of the watch. The strap is fairly flexible for a brand new leather strap, so it's definitely going to wear in nicely. The case back here is a sealed steel case back with a Hamilton signature surround. As indicated, it has that 10 bar water resistance rating, and underneath is that H-31. That particular movement will give you 60 hours of power reserve and solid accuracy. Despite being a predominantly black wristwatch, we do still have impressive luminova on the hands. The green glow of the indices and hands will make this very legible in nighttime conditions. This watch and the others in the Intra-matic lineup are a joy to wear. As stated, that 40mm size is darn near universal, and with that 49mm lug-to-lug, it's going to fit on the majority of wrists. I myself have an 8-inch wrist, so you can see there's plenty of space on either end when I wear this fantastic wristwatch. If you find yourself looking for a wristwatch like this one, $2,425 and a quick trip to Right Time will do it. I love Hamilton for their value for dollar. The price point they occupy is unparalleled in the Swiss watch industry from a brand with as much history and heritage as Hamilton has. This watch embodies all of it with a nice modern twist and would be a great addition to your collection. I already loved the Hamilton Intra-matic, and I always love a cool blacked out version of a watch. So combine those two things, and I think this version is a great opportunity for you to add something cool to your collection. If you'd like to purchase this watch or any of our others, please visit us online at righttime.com or give us a call. We're always happy to help. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time at Right Time.